Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this looks like a 1. I still think this is a 2. I believe that we're still in a wave 3, and this move down is just a subdivision of that wave 3, probably like a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. I actually am a big believer that gold is going up to at least a 24, maybe even $2,500 area to finish off this uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a wave 1. I believe this is an ABC of wave 2. I think this is just a subdivision of the wave 3 that we're in now, probably like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3. I think once this finishes this 2 of 3, it'll go up and make a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily, I actually think it's fairly a clear pattern. It's been very, very sideways pretty much since December, but to me it looks like 3 waves down, 3 waves up. Now I think it's making 1, 2, 3 waves down, and I think this is very clearly a WXY pattern, which is a 3-3-3 pattern. 3 down, 3 up, 3 down, probably right to a Fibonacci level, and then continue the uptrend from there. 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and wave 3 of wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely primarily looking for shorts, especially with that analysis I just showed on the daily. I think there's a very good likelihood it's actually going to go beyond the 61.8 and very likely go down to at least the 78.6, which tells me that I am definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend, especially on the shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, boy, I had an almost perfect ABC this morning. 1, 2, 3 waves up, right to the 38% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down. Looks like the end of a correction right there. I think that we may get a little bit of a bounce right here because we do have kind of a triple bottom, plus there's another bottom back here. So we probably will get a little bit of a bounce, but I think there's a very good chance it is going to keep on going down, at least to the 61.8% minimum, more likely even to the 78.6. So like I said, I am definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. And we do have CPI coming out for the dollar tomorrow, and that is going to be a big news event for the dollar, which is for sure going to affect gold alongside all the other dollar pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.